Magandang hapon po ng April 22, 2024 Monday at ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 p.m. draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng April 22, 2024 Monday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 p.m. 3D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng Monday, April 22, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 p.m. 'See you again later for 9 p.m. draw result of Grand Lotto 655, Mega Lotto 645, 4D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for April 22, 2024, Monday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 is 44 million pesos and Grand Lotto 655 estimated jackpot price is 29.7 million pesos for April 22, 2024, Monday. Thank you for watching this 5 p.m. video for April 22, 2024, Monday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.